What's the meaning of balance? Balance. Balance.
Balance. Balance. Balance refers to a state of equilibrium, where all elements are in proportion and harmony. It can describe physical balance, where an object is stable and not tipping over, or emotional balance, where our feelings and thoughts are stable and not overwhelming. Balance is also crucial in areas such as finance, where it refers to the state of having enough money to meet your needs without overspending. In relationships, balance means treating others with respect and equality, without favoring one person over the other. Achieving balance requires being mindful of our actions and choices, and making adjustments when necessary to maintain stability and harmony.